The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Domball, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bumble, Domball, Pinehurst, Aldine, Spring, Greater Greens Point, Kingwood, The Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Stagecoach, Bush Intercontinental Airport, East Little York, or Homestead, Splashtown, Hooks Airport, The Woodlands Pavilion, Willowbrook, East Houston, Northwestern Atascocita, and Lake Houston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.